Creo Engine Price Prediction 2022 to 2025, 2030, Creo Price Forecast, Cryptocurrency Price Prediction. Creo Engine Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Creo Engine is $0.007 and Creo is currently ranked number 2336 in the entire crypto ecosystem. The circulation supply of Creo Engine is 4,912,576 with a market cap of $34,101. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been decreased by -12.84% in its current value. If we compare the current market cap of the Creo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is also down. Creo Engine is facing a hard time getting on board with other crypto coins. The Creo is down to almost -28.54% in the last 7 days. The coin is still showing risking framing segments for past few days. The coin might have strong fundamentals, but we don't think that it would a profitable asset in short term. Creo Engine, Creo, Price Prediction for 2022. 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. Creo Engine Price Prediction 2022. Creo Engine price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.009 in 2022. As per our findings, the Creo price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.009 with the average forecast price of $0.009. Creo Engine Price Prediction 2023. The price of one Creo Engine is expected to reach at a minimum level of $0.012 in 2023. The Creo price can reach a maximum level of $0.015 with the average price of $0.013 throughout 2023. Creo price forecast for 2024. The price of Creo Engine is predicted to reach at a minimum level of $0.018 in 2024. The Creo Engine price can reach a maximum level of $0.022 with the average price of $0.018 throughout 2024. Creo Engine, Creo, Price Prediction 2025. Creo Engine price is forecast to reach a lowest possible level of $0.027 in 2025. As per our findings, the Creo price could reach a maximum possible level of $0.031 with the average forecast price of $0.028. Creo Engine Price Prediction 2026. As per the forecast and technical analysis, in 2026 the price of Creo Engine is expected to reach at a minimum price value of $0.039. The Creo price can reach a maximum price value of $0.046 with the average value of $0.041. Creo Engine Price Prediction 2027. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of Creo, in 2027 the price of Creo Engine is forecasted to be at around a minimum value of $0.056. The Creo Engine price value can reach a maximum of $0.068 with the average trading value of $0.058 in USD. Creo Engine, Creo, Price Prediction 2028. The price of Creo Engine is predicted to reach at a minimum value of $0.083 in 2028. The Creo Engine price could reach a maximum value of $0.099 with the average trading price of $0.086 throughout 2028. Creo Engine Price Forecast 2029. The price of Creo Engine is predicted to reach at a minimum value of 12 cents in 2029. The Creo Engine price could reach a maximum value of 14 cents with the average trading price of 13 cents throughout 2029. Creo Engine, Creo, Price Prediction 2030. According to our deep technical analysis on past price data of Creo, in 2030 the price of Creo Engine is predicted to reach at a minimum level of 18 cents. The Creo price can reach a maximum level of 21 cents with the average trading price of 18 cents. Creo Engine Price Prediction 2031. As per the forecast price and technical analysis, in 2031 the price of Creo Engine is predicted to reach at a minimum level of 26 cents. The Creo price can reach a maximum level of 30 cents with the average trading price of 27 cents.